This video guide is about removing browser advertisements and multiple web push notifications associated with the site mickelcove.com. This is the website that displays faulty alerts that try to encourage its visitors into clicking on the Allow button. The website may display some misleading messages that try to make people do that. They may tell you that it's important for the purpose of age verification or for proving that you are not a robot or for some other reasons. However, after people mistakenly do that, after they click on Allow button, the browser gets hijacked with multiple advertisements that are extremely annoying. So you should do something to deactivate these ads in case the Allow button was clicked by mistake. Right now you can see some of these ads already attacking your screen. So let us remove them manually. Go to the menu, go to Settings of your browser, choose Security and Privacy, click on Site Settings, go to Permissions area and click on Notifications. At this point, carefully you need to research the websites that are allowed to send notifications. In case you find this mickelcove.com, be sure to remove it from the list. You must also remove other junk sites causing such ads on your screen. And finally, to make sure that the system is free of other threats, I strongly advise scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download it using this green button, install the program, and begin researching your device with its help in order to detect and delete other threats that could possibly remain on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.